Hey y'all, it's Carmen Sweet and welcome back to my channel. I have a simple no foundation makeup look, so if you're interested, please continue to watch. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this makeup look. I already did my skincare prep this morning, so I'm just going to refresh my face with a little bit of toner. And I'm just going with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer, Hydrate Our Face. Once again, this is a no foundation makeup look, so something light and easy for the summer. So while that's soaking, I'm going to go ahead and work on my eyebrows. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild brow pencil. And we're going to clean this all up with concealer. So y'all, I'm going to clean especially this brow up with some concealer. So I'm going to go in with this Born This Way concealer. And with a skinny end brush. And we're going to clean it up some. Just so we can have twins. Eyebrows. Go back in with our spoolie and our eyebrow pencil just to make our tip a little fuller. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little primer on my face before we go any further. I'm mainly going to be working under the eyes today just to conceal any hyperpigmentation I have, some dark spots I have, just to give me like an even skin tone, even canvas. So while that's settling down, let's just blend. Let's take another brush and blend those concealer out. Alright, so eyebrows look kind of good. So I'm going to go in my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This matches my skin pretty well. So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and work on eyeshadow. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. Take a So, taking my sponge, and we're just gonna blend this all out over our lips. There we go. Over our lips. Even out this. So I'm using the Essential 2 eyeshadow palette that came out my Boxy Charm unboxing. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave a link so y'all can go visit that. So we're gonna take a fluffy brush. These are the colors. I'm gonna start with this chocolate brown as my crease color. Something over here. Blend, 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 blend. And I'm gonna take a little bit of bronze and I'm gonna dab it in my brow bone area just to give us a little bit of accent color up there. Blend those two in. So take my eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with copper as my lid color. We're going to sweep that across our lids. Alright, so let's go back in with our brush with that crease color just so everything can blend in seamlessly. y'all, so I'm having my put some lash glue on my lashes so they can start to dry down and become tacky. So while those are drying, I'm going with my Juvia's Face Nomad palette, and I'm going in with this orange color just a little bit in my crease because I feel that it's kind of, it just needs to dull down just a bit. Maybe two colors, like a nice little transitioning color. And so y'all, I'm just going with the concealer again, and I'm just going to take out the dark spot under my eye. I tend to crease under my eye, so I'm not going to color correct and add a lot of things under the eyes, because the more stuff, the more product you add under the eyes, they're going to just fall into your crease lines. So that's what I do not want. So we're just gonna, just where we see our dark spots, not get too carried away. And I'm gonna do some over here, just a little bit up in here. And I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender, and we're just gonna dab, we're just gonna blend that right on out. That's it. All we're doing is blending that right on out. We don't want too much because we still want like a natural look. We just want to cover up some imperfections that we have. I go under the eyes last because we're going to set it right after. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the number 35. That's it, y'all. We're not gonna bake. We just setting. So we're going to do like a lip gloss look. So let's go ahead and line our lips. Try that one again. I do not know how to fix that. They fight me forever and a day. But we're going to give it a try. Alright, y'all, let me fix these lashes. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we got the lashes on. So the lips are in line. I just went in with a dark brown pencil and outline my lips, shade it in a little bit. That's just the look I'm going for. So y'all, I set my face with the NYX Dewy finish. It's just a nude lip gloss, and I did a brown lip gloss. That's a no foundation makeup look. Alright y'all, so this is the end result of the no foundation makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve this grayed out, please head over to my other video. But thank you for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, love. Smooches.